Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. James. I create interesting videos to educate everyone. Okay, let's start to discuss the topic of today. Who is Elon Musk? And rules he follows to become rich. Elon Musk was born in Pretoria, South Africa in 1971 to his mother, May Musk, a Canadian model and dietitian, and his father, Elon Musk, an engineer and pilot. During his childhood, he developed a love for reading. By 12 years old he used self-taught programming skills to develop code for a video game he called blaststar, which he then sold for $500. Musk was a victim of severe bullying, including an incident that landed him in the hospital after being thrown down a flight of stairs. Despite this, Elon has said he believes his purpose in life to try to take a set of actions that are likely to prolong civilization. Musk attended Queen's University in 1989 for 2 years before moving on to University of Pennsylvania to study economics and physics. In 1995 Musk entered the PhD program at Stanford, and then dropped out after 2 days to focus on entrepreneurial ventures based on this internet. Eager to pursue opportunities in the internet boom, however, he decided to instead launch his first company, Zip2 Corporation, with his brothers. 4 years later he received $22 million for his share when they sold Zip2 to Compaq. Musk used some of this money to co-found X.com, a user-friendly online financial service. You might know it better today as PayPal, and when eBay purchased PayPal in 2002, Musk's shares netted him a cool $165 million. Besides that, Musk also founded SolarCity and Tesla. Now, Tesla has grown into the leading electric car manufacturer and the fourth most valuable automotive company in the world. In 2001, Musk founded SpaceX with $100 million of his own cash. In February 2018, SpaceX successfully test-launched the most powerful operational rocket in the world, the Falcon Heavy. As of 2018, Elon Musk is worth an estimated $20.4 billion. And that's the story of Elon. So what are the rules Elon Musk follows to become rich and successful? And here are some interviews with Elon Musk. Please take a look.
Just work like hell. I mean, you just have to put in, 80 to 100-hour weeks every week.
Gosh,
and
that's
then
a lot of work.
All those things improve the odds of success.
Okay.
And for the fate of humankind, I think it would be great to have more Elon Musks. So what do we need to do to become more like Elon?
I don't know if it's, I think it maybe sounds better than it is. Honestly, there's a friend of mine who's got a great saying about creating a company, which is trying to build a company and have it succeed is like eating glass and staring into the abyss. What tends to happen is it's sort of quite exciting for the first several months of starting a company. Yeah. And then reality sets in, things don't go as well as planned, customers aren't signing up, the technology or the product isn't working as well as you thought. Yeah. And then that can sometimes be compounded by a recession, and it can be very, very painful for several years. So I think, frankly, starting a company, I would advise people to have...
If somebody is doing something that is useful to the rest of society, I think that's a good thing. Like, it doesn't have to change the world. Like, if you're doing something that has high value to people, and frankly, even if it's something, if it's like just a little game, or some improvement in photo sharing or something, if it has a small amount of good for a large number of people, I think that's fine. Like, stuff doesn't need to be changed the world just to be good.
Solar and like Elon. Work like hell until your bank balance looks like a phone number. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.